guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making slime. I already made one slime. It's a glossy slime. I'm just going to be making glossies because I like glossies. This one, I just put glue, activator, and some glitter. A little bit of lotion to make it stretchier and gel. So, okay, so I use 4-ounce small Elmer school glue. So, done. Since my dad and my mom and my baby brother are sleeping there, so I can't go get a bowl. But never mind. I thought I had a container for to make slime and stuff like that. I have a container. It's just that it's really dirty. So I'm just gonna do it on my desk. Oh, it doesn't get mad. You guys comment down below if you guys felt the earthquakes. I know that I didn't feel them, but my parents were like, it's shaking. So I got scared, and then since we have a chandelier, when it's shaking, the chandelier moves. So yeah, that's how we also know. And if you guys have curtains, those blind things that you pull it, and the ropes that you guys have on the curtains, when it's like that, that means that it's also an earthquake. If you have plants that are hanging up, and well, yeah, it's gonna be an earthquake. I don't really have that much activator. I might have to go to my parents' room, or the laundry room, but I don't want to wake them up. Oops, I thought I touched it in the activator. So I'm just gonna mix my hands right now. I'm gonna just do with my hands. Ooh, I think I need some more activator. Oh my goodness, so sticky. I might also have to add it to the other one. So that's about the video because I had to activate this. So I didn't really want to go out to stores. But we went, so I just got glue. So I won't get bored and I won't get scared during the earthquakes. For some reason, when there's earthquakes, I don't feel them because I'm literally always when there's earthquakes, I'm either on the TV or my tablet. And so like I was saying, add to activate the slime. Since I don't have like, I don't know if I told you guys already, that I don't have like, what's it called? I don't have, food coloring, food dye. I sometimes just use paint or get like some markers that I have right now, which I'm gonna get like these right here. So I'm gonna do like the red. If you guys don't know, it's like turns out pink instead. So I just technically like food dye. It's just marker. Oh, it might turn purple. I'm sorry that I haven't recorded. It's just that we've been preparing for earthquakes. We still haven't got any because of those past 3 days. There's been earthquakes, so I get scared of earthquakes. So now let's not talk about earthquakes, but you guys still comment if you guys felt the earthquakes. So right now that I'm making this, I don't really like to make big slimes, but like I had ran out of activator, so I put the glue in this one. And let's put this to the side. Also, little tad bit of lotion. Alright. What the heck? I can't open this. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Now that I open it and I squeeze it, now it works. Wow. Uh-oh, that was probably a mistake. Uh-oh. Alright. So I added a little bit of white slime. But I don't want to mix it, because that white slime was also sticky, but the pink one's melted. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Tide. Yo, the white slime melted. Uh-oh, I just remembered that it might turn purple. But it's alright. Comment down below what's your favorite color. I have 3 favorite colors, but my main 2 are pink and teal. My third one is purple, like unicorn. Well, unicorn colors. Need a tiny bit more. Hold on, I want to see something. Okay, like that. There. Like that? Or should I go all in? It actually went in, guys. Alright. Alright, guys. So, this is my first one. I think probably gonna... Alright. I'm gonna probably make a couple more, so I'm done with that. The pink one. At the end, I'll review all 3 slimes. I'm only gonna make 2 new slimes. I don't really like to make big slimes for some reason, because I also, if you guys didn't know, I don't know if I told you guys, but I just forgot that I had all containers, I mean. So I guess now I'm just gonna have to put them in Ziploc bags. Ooh, that was too much, Oh, you guys, I heard that. Well, my teacher told me we're at the second to last day of school. We were making slime. I was really mad that we couldn't, take the slime home because it didn't form. But I made slime at home. I did it with 2 activators to see if my teacher was, lying or telling the truth. And it turned out that she was saying the truth. So I really had to throw away the slime because it was horrible. Alright, so let me try to fix this because it's all like that. I think it's coming together. I think I may have added way too much activator. I'm going to do 2 videos today since I haven't been posting. So I'm not probably going to do the review here. But in the next video I will do the review. So that one turned a little bit more blue. Oh my god, my hands are so slippery. I think I'm gonna have to grab my pink slime. My blue tough one. Nadine, if you watch this video, I want to say I miss you guys. I miss you, and I also miss everyone at my school, all my friends, everyone. Because all my friends were the best friends that I had in my whole entire life. Alright. Make sure you like, subscribe, and put the notification button on.